Experience fun, competitive play right at home with top-rated equipment designed for families and casual athletes. The best volleyball nets for backyard setups deliver durability, easy assembly, and dependable tension, ensuring every match feels smooth, stable, and enjoyable from the first serve to the final point. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. JOLORLY Backyard Volleyball Net. The JOLORLY Backyard Volleyball Net is built for players who want a sturdy, tournament-level setup at home without dealing with complicated assembly. Its 2-inch heavy-duty aluminum poles immediately make a strong impression, offering outstanding stability and long-term durability. The push-button locking system allows you to switch between official men's, women's, and co-ed heights in seconds, making the set ideal for families or mixed-level groups who want flexibility. One of the best advantages is how quickly it can be put together. Because the regulation 32 by 3 feet net is already attached to the poles, you avoid the lengthy threading process required by many other sets. The pop-up design means you can go from storage to gameplay with minimal effort. The pull-down tension handles are also a great addition, making it easy to keep the net tight throughout long matches. With scoring poles and 12-inch forged steel stakes, the entire system remains solid even during aggressive rallies. The slip-on sleeve net ensures even tension and provides a professional feel from top to bottom. Number 2. PLYOGO Backyard Volleyball Net. The PLYOGO Backyard Volleyball Net is built for players who value durability, superior tension control, and a well-rounded outdoor volleyball experience. The double-layer construction of Oxford and PVC material immediately stands out, offering reliable tear resistance that holds up during intense gameplay. With reinforced triangular corners, thick stitching, waterproof edging, and 6-inch side sleeves, the net stays strong in sun, rain, and wind, making it suitable for backyard, beach, or grass environments. The newly upgraded pull-down tension adjuster system is one of its most useful features, providing smoother net stretching compared to traditional metal winches. It keeps the net level and stable without much effort, and the added Velcro at the bottom allows you to fine-tune tension on the fly. High-visibility boundary lines and a built-in scoring device enhance backyard matches by making games feel more official. The telescopic poles, made from aircraft-grade aluminum, offer great stability with a scratch-resistant matte coating. Number 3. Patiassy Backyard Volleyball Net. The Patiassy Backyard Volleyball Net is an excellent choice for households that want a premium setup capable of withstanding competitive play. Its powder-coated aluminum poles are rust-resistant and designed to handle years of outdoor exposure without bending or fading. With official adjustable heights for men, women, and co-ed settings, this set adapts to different match styles and ensures every game feels authentic. The net itself is built with durability in mind, featuring a 32-ply polyester construction that resists tearing even during powerful spikes or fast serves. Reinforced corners, 5-inch side sleeves, and thick top and bottom tapes create a smooth, professional feel that holds its shape well. One of the strongest features of this set is its precision galvanized steel winch system. It allows you to tighten or adjust a net with exact tension, keeping it perfectly level throughout long matches. The included tension ropes and sturdy ground stakes add another layer of stability, ensuring the system remains solid even in windy conditions. Number 4. SKEERY Backyard Volleyball Net. The SKEERY Backyard Volleyball Net offers a professional design with a focus on strength, adjustability, and reliable outdoor performance. Its high-strength aluminum poles use a 3-stage construction that makes the entire setup stable, yet lightweight enough for easy transport. The frosted surface coating helps protect the poles from scratching, fading, and general wear, making it suitable for long-term outdoor use. With 3 standard height adjustments, men's, co-ed, and women's, the set adapts easily for different types of play. The net is designed for durability, made from tough PE material with reinforced corners and multiple layers of stitching to prevent tearing. Waterproof edging and drainage holes ensure the net remains resilient during rainy conditions, which is especially important for outdoor storage. What makes this set stand out is its upgraded integrated winch system. The stainless steel winch, paired with high-strength nylon rope, keeps the net fully stretched and level. Number 5. Zdgao Backyard Volleyball Net. The Zdgao Backyard Volleyball Net is a complete package designed for convenience, durability, and easy setup, making it great for families or recreational players. The height-adjustable poles allow quick switching between men's, co-ed, and women's settings, making the set versatile for different age groups and skill levels. The net itself follows standard regulation size, built with sturdy nylon material and reinforced polyester ropes that hold up well against forceful hits. With top and bottom tape for added support, the net maintains its shape and tension throughout gameplay. The steel poles are another strong point. Constructed from 1.3-inch powder-coated steel, they provide resistance to rust and offer long-term reliability for outdoor environments. The push-button locking system makes assembly simple, allowing you to set up the entire system in just a few minutes. This makes it an ideal choice for backyard gatherings, parks, or beach trips. This set includes everything needed for immediate play: the net, poles, official-size volleyball, pump with needle, boundary lines, and a carrying bag. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.